back again for the YouTube, you know, people. You see me? I don't know, so we outside. Well, we never outside. Virgin outside and him call me and say that's he said that fish. And you know, see pot, you can see whether they can't do no diving because you know, current heavy, dirty water, river then come down. I don't know time if you dive, but him they are throw rod and him link me and say catch few fish, but it seems like I come too late. You see me? So I show you what him catch still because I already my use. You see me? And it did nice, you know, guys. I say, it did nice, so Fred. It did nice, brother. I can't believe that's more fishy man land I'm out here with the camera. Brother, you land some more fish, brother. Right, dude. Right, you see the pipe there, brother. Big pump on our jack. Permit jack. Snapper. Yo, you catch me snapper for brother. Nice, butter jack, yeah. And you know, tail.
Somebody tell him say them run a sea hard and all.
Yeah. It's a nice catch, thingy. A nice catching catch, you know, my people. A nice catching catching dinner, is it? Yeah, man. You know. We'll soon get more videos, see me? Just come on, hold on. I weather kind of stay a little way. And I kind of order some stuff, so I wait for them. I go do some camping, some overnight camping, I do some hunting. I do some bird shooting. I do some more rooster video. But I don't know anything go. Sea kind of bad, I can't drop no sea content, so it kind of shake me a little bit. But I know say I have some work to put in, but go and stay firm and thing, you see me? This is not really one hunting video or nothing like that. I just walk with the camera and call me and say catch some nice fish. You see it? And I catch some nice fish, man. See it, eh? Yeah, man. Catch some nice fish, guys. Yeah, man.
You listen up for the action?
Yeah, I catch some action. I say, Rad, where Rad? Tell me about the Rad. Tell me about the Rad. Give you Rad little exposure.
Right, let me set the rod, brother.
Jesus.
Our fish just take up.
Eh? Rad pretty, that man. Real pretty, man.
I tell you, give me it, man.
Eh? Real pretty, like, whoa. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, I see him Rad this me that I use in a video. I'm going to do the rock fishing. Overnight rock fishing, I see him Rad this but different reel, guys. Yeah, man. But you know, I order my own them, so I just wait until my own then drop. You see me? I order a whole heap of stuff, so I just wait. And I'm not telling you where you want to come yet, but just stay tuned, watch what I go on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and go and do the right thing. Stay tuned for the next video, because the next one that I go add. This is just like a to show us what's to come, you see me? But by now and maybe next week, the weather might change, and we can go do some spear fishing. You see me, know no long with some nice spear fishing video. Up on the edge side, I kill them big parrot there. Boy, I miss diving bad. I don't dive from January, well, yeah, no, lie, I dive one time. 2 days I dive from January start. And I did back to back, and it never made no sense, because when I catch no portion of fish up a airstrip in St. Margaret's Bay. But, you know, stay tuned for next week. That's what can go on still. Only hope the weather kind of give away a break, but like, share, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Roadside. Come on. Gonna reel in him right there. Jesus. Me a borrow now. Ah, you shrimp. Yes, sir. Lovely catch, my boy. Lovely catch. Lovely catch.